Icebreaker gum versus the microwave. Let's get right into it. It's Mr. Microwave. Subscribe to the channel. Let's do it. And here we go. Almost a minute and the gum is starting to bubble up. The gum is starting to bubble up. It's been 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. And half of the gum looks like it's almost completely melted. It's really unbelievable. Man, if you can smell the grape flavor coming out of the microwave. It smells so good.
Amazing!
It's been 3 minutes. Almost all the gum is completely melted. See how hot we can get this gum. It's been 4 minutes and the gum is starting to release some sort of smoke. You can see how it's getting less visible a little bit in there. There's a lot of smoke. There's smoke coming out of the side of the microwave. You can smell the grape aroma. It's getting very hot. starting to get cloudy in there. As you see, the gum is just getting so bubbly. It's almost looking like a volcano, you know, like the magma getting ready to erupt in a volcano. It's kind of what it's looking like. I mean, it is getting so smoky in there. I think we're gonna stop it at 6 minutes. It's almost been 6 minutes. Because you can't even see. It's been 6 minutes. We're going to stop it. Whoa, look at that. It's like bubbling, and you can see the colors darker in the middle. It's like actually starting to burn. Look at that. It's like blowing smoke that looks like a volcano, dude.
Amazing!
It like turned into a paste. I need to poke it with something. Stir it up and see. Look at, oh my gosh. Look at all that liquid. Look at that.
Uh-oh.
It's not even gum. It's not even gum at the bottom. It's like a black paste. It's liquidy though. See that? That's really weird. That must be all the sugar and all the chemicals coming out of it. This is actually what we're putting in our mouths. Look at that. I thought it was gonna be more gummish. If gummish is a word, I made it up. Look at that. What is that? Somebody explain to me what that is.
Uh-oh.
This is recommended by the ADA. Whoa, it's like... That is unbelievable.
Amazing!
What is inside of the gum we're chewing? Look at that. What is that? It's like black tar. I don't believe what I'm seeing with my eyes. Holy cannoli. Look at that. There's very little gum base. The gum base is on top. Everything else is liquidy. And it's dark. It's very dark. I am astonished. That is unbelievable. I want to see what happens when it cools off. So I'm gonna let this cool off. Yeah, this is Mr. Microwave. We did icebreaker grape flavored gum and it turned into this liquid at the bottom. It's hard to believe that's what we chew up. That's what we're putting in our mouths. Probably why we're getting all these cavities. Look how dark that is. But subscribe to the channel at Mr. Microwave. Thank you for watching this video. A comment below on other items you'd like me to put in the microwave and see what they do and what their properties become. This became a lot of liquid. Thank you for watching. Peace.